Yo, what's good with the YouTube? It's your boy Greg, and we back with another banger, y'all. Man, I just want to say, man, today we gonna chop it up. We gonna talk about patience, man. Today I got inspired to just make this video about patience, just because of like what's been going on within me, within trading, within the last 2 to 3 weeks, maybe a month, maybe pushing on a month. So y'all, we just gonna talk about that today. I'm just chilling at the crib today. I'm off today, just chilling, just about to relax, just think about what's been going on and what can I do better to just fix that. And y'all, that's what we gonna talk about today. Man, y'all stay tuned. Let's keep watching, man. Y'all go ahead, hit that thumbs up, hit that sub button if you're new, because we steady gonna be dropping gems after gems each and every video. Baby, I love y'all, man. Let's get it. Y'all, so first of all, man, I'ma just tell y'all, stuff just been going left on these charts, man. It's just been going left. I ain't saying it's just been going left. I haven't even really been trading. So I just tell y'all what's been going on with me within the charts. I was trying to like switch over to futures and stuff like that. Just giving me a hard time with that right now. So I think I'm gonna just hold off on that, especially like coming into the new year. I'm gonna just sit back on that a little bit and just focus on that. So that was like giving me a run for my money. And then the setups I was just taking was just, when I tell y'all, they was just so bad. They were just bad setups that I was just even taking and stuff like that. I had just got like a little test account to just test out the future, so that's what I was trading on or whatnot. So like I said, it really wasn't too much that was bothering me, so that I was losing the trades. But within that being said, I end up having a call today. Me and Dre, everybody know, which I wake up at 4 in the morning and I just hop in the Discord. So if y'all need a community to join, y'all already know the Discord down below, the link down below, man. Y'all go ahead, join that, come through. Like I said, we tap in every day. I tap in every day at 4 in the morning and just, still get on the charts. Even though I'm not trading, I still get on the charts and act like I'm trading. I take it serious, still get up every day at 4 in the morning. So with the net being said, like I said, we had the meeting today. We was in the meeting today and we was just going over the charts and I wasn't able to trade. I wasn't able to press buy sell because I don't have an account. And with the net being said, like, I didn't have an account to force a trade, and I just noticed it just sitting there and I'm like, yo, I've been rushing, trying to rush everything, not waiting on good setups, not just taking bad setups, just so eager to hit that buy and sell button, which that's not the route. That's not what we supposed to be doing. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, I learned from my mistakes. I analyzed that, take accountability, and just now I'm gonna just move forward and just keep going and just keep pushing. But like I said, we was doing the call today. And literally, I was just watching the market just move, do its own thing. Like, I got a new rule in my bonder or whatever. Like, I wait 15 minutes after the news or whatever before the market play out. And I was just watching, like, if I literally follow all my rules to the T, everything would be smooth for me. Everything will work out perfectly for me. But it's when you don't follow those rules, try to get in these trades early, that's what's going to mess you up and set you back a little bit, and it just discourages you. It do discourage you a little bit when you mess up and you don't follow those rules that you have set for yourself, right? So man, like, and today just talking to Dre and just was able to just show Dre, like, look, this the play, like this the play, and literally show him a good play live to be able to actually take, you know what I'm saying, with actually, good risk management, good everything, and just able to show somebody that this is the right way to do it. This is what we supposed to be doing. We is not supposed to be getting in 30 minutes early or an hour early. Or we not supposed to be like everybody have their own strategy, right? But I just have my own rules that set into play that to make me a successful trader, to make me a better trader, to stop me from doing a lot of other things, right? So when I was thinking about that this morning when we was in the call, I was like, you know what? Look, man, when I was hitting that, when I first got that my challenge back up there, right? When I first passed my first challenge, I noticed I wasn't like I was way more patient. I was way more patient, bro. these last 2 to 3 weeks, it was like I was trying to get in trades every day. I had to press the button when I wake up. Soon as I get up at 4 in the morning, I'm just looking. I'm like, I'm like a crack. I'm like somebody on crack trying to get that high for the day. Bro, that's how I was when I wake up at 4 in the morning, bro. Just literally trying to catch that high, like tripping off whatever. I don't know what I had got going on. Like, it wasn't overconfidence or nothing like that. Don't get me wrong. Like, it's good to be confident, like, because I know where I'm headed, right? Like, I got that on my trading journal. We know where we headed, but we still have to be patient. We still have to stay calm and collected, right? And everybody had they ups and they downs and stuff like that. Just thinking about it and just taking accountability of what's going wrong is one of the greatest things you could do into becoming a profitable trader. Because I can tell you this now, right? I can tell you this. The quicker you fail, the faster you're going to, like, get it out the way. I watched the video earlier. I forgot this guy's name. I forgot this guy's name. I don't know. It's probably some quote for some book, right? It's probably some passed on now. Don't get me wrong. I forgot the guy's name, so I actually can't shout him out on this video. If I come back and think of it, I probably will put it down somewhere below. But he said, the quicker you fail, the quicker, like, all that eager stuff that you have and you want to do, go ahead, get that stuff out the way. Like, you want to trade on NFP, you want to trade, you want to get in on those, big candlesticks or whatever you got that eager for, high volatility in the market. Go ahead, get that out the way. Go ahead and fail faster. The faster you fail is the faster you're gonna get to that success, because now you're gonna start to know. Now you traded 6 to 7 times on NLP and it was unsuccessful for you. Now you probably gonna throw that in your rules. Look, we ain't trading NLP no more. You know what I'm saying? So, like, it's just little simple things that can, get you out of that way, right? So that's not with the patience, right? Like, everybody say you're supposed to be patient, but until you realize you ain't being patient, you really not gonna notice what's going on until you actually take accountability and see that, like, bro, you ain't being patient. Like, what is you doing? Like, why is you trying to take setup so early? Like, it's okay to sit back and watch what's going on, right? So, like, within that being said, like, man, you don't even have to, you can be patient with anything. Fitness, that's just like getting a six-pack, right? Getting a six-pack, it ain't gonna come in one day. It's gonna take days. It's gonna take eating right. It's gonna take whatever the case may be. You have to be patient, but you have to stay consistent. And one thing about being patient and staying consistent is you have to show up. You ain't gonna get a six-pack just sitting at home all day eating honey buns, icy white. Yeah, I know, because they good, right? Like, I know, you know what I'm saying? If I never show up on the charts and fail, I feel like I'm gonna never get nowhere. If I didn't show up to the charts today and just literally laid in the bed, I wouldn't have realized that. I would have woke up that next day, probably when I feel good, I hop on the charts and lose, but probably was still gonna be impatient and just go into that. So I know next time when I wake up and get up on the charts, right? No, bro, I need to be patient, wait for the setups. If it got news, I need to wait after news, probably 10 to 15 minutes after news, 30 hour after news, and see if a setup can present itself for me then. But like I just said, just throwing that in there with the NAT, like, I don't want to have nobody confused that you're supposed to be trading after news. Hey, bro, you can trade before news. Like, don't get me wrong. Whatever strategy you trade, that's just you. That little rule is just for me because of what's in my trading rules, what's in my journal, right? You know what I'm saying? Like, I get burned. Like, I be always, like, my personal reason for bringing that rule into my trading plan is because I will always get burned if I'm in the trade before news, right? Like, I don't know. It just always happened to me. I always get burned. Like, it never fails. Like, it didn't happen so much to where I didn't notice it. And I'm like, nope, not happening no more. Let me go ahead and stop doing that. You know what I'm saying? That's just like once before when I passed that challenge, right? Like, I wasn't trading on Mondays. Like, I wasn't so fishing the trade. Like, I knew I had Monday off to relax. Like, I knew the markets was open. I say, I'm not looking at the charts on Monday, right? I had been trying to trade Monday, trade every day of the week. That's kind of the fishing stuff that I was doing, and I was losing. Literally losing. Every Monday, I think I probably remember I lost, bro. I lost. It was 2 weeks back to back, this week and last week. I lost. I said, you know what, bro? We going back to the OG stuff when I was winning, right? So it's nothing wrong. All you got to do is just realize what's going on, realize what was working for you, and what was keeping you patient. What was keeping, like, that's kind of where I'm at with it right now. What was keeping me patient? What was keeping me patient to wait on those setups, right? Because I remember, bro, I did not used to trade every day. Bro, sometimes I would only take like one setup a week. Like, that was literally my thing. Like, I would literally take one setup a week. My boy Kai is witness to that, because I know he remember. I literally would take one setup a week, and that'll almost be it, right? I try to like fish for the weekly low or the weekly high, and just try to catch that and keep going on the ride. Like, some days I hold my trades 2 to 3 days, right? Like I said, we not about to get into my strategies today or whatever. Probably sooner or later, I'll probably end up dropping a video on how to trade and stuff like that. I see other people make videos on about how they trade. Like I said, me and my boy Nado, that's his name. Me and my boy Nado, we gonna be we're gonna be going live, so maybe y'all could come in and ask questions on how we trade. My goodness, golly, I need a sip of water. Hold up. Yeah, y'all. So like I said, maybe y'all could come and ask questions on like how I trade and stuff like that. When I start going live, we probably gonna end up start going live pretty soon here. I know I've been saying I'm gonna start doing it. Like I just been saying, I just been trying to get myself together, get my schedule together, and just get everything together and stuff like that. Because I do want to implement in my schedule going to the gym, to just trying to get myself back together and stuff like that, and just consistency. Like I said in another video, and especially showing up each and every day, right? So it's just like the setup today when I was talking about with Dre. Like, we walked through 2 good setups today, and AU is one of them. We ended up just so happened to look at AU, and AU is just setting up perfectly, right? Like, today was just a perfect day for that setup, which is a real clean setup to actually show my boy he knew and stuff like that. And just show him other stuff, even on XPX 500, because he seemed like he like looking at the indices or whatever. So I just showed him different things and stuff like that. And like I just said, man, showing up each and every day and being consistent is what's going to set you apart. And the quicker you fail, the quicker you're going to be successful. The quicker you fail, the faster you're going to get to success. Because if you start to learn, if you fail this week, and now you learned that, now you know that. As a humans, we don't want to go through failure. We don't like to see failure. We ain't gonna keep doing something that's gonna keep failing us. I can tell you that now. We ain't gonna do that. Nobody gonna do that. Like, as humans, bro, like, literally, if I do this literally right here on this camera right now, the second I try to poke myself in the eye, my eye is going to resist. We don't like pain. We don't do that. Like, us doing something consistently bringing us pain, we don't like that. We don't want to deal with that, right? Like, so y'all, man, like I said, man, if y'all on the charts and y'all having trouble with yourself, man, just take accountability, write those problems down, write those issues down, and just, like, you know what I'm saying, just keep pushing forward and keep grinding, man. Y'all gotta keep grinding, man. I'm here with y'all. I'm here with y'all, gang. I'm here with y'all. We on this learning curve. We pushing, and we gonna keep rocking out, man. So, man, I appreciate y'all for tuning in, just hearing your boy out today. Man, I definitely appreciate everybody tapping in. Man, like I said, man, if you new, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that sub button. Man, I appreciate y'all coming through, and if y'all need a community, man, the Discord is down at the bottom. Y'all go ahead and hit that link, join up, man. I welcome y'all to the community. Man, it's all love on my end. Man, y'all have a great one, man. Let's get it.